How to slow down a clip in DaVinci Resolve. First things first, head over to your DaVinci timeline and make sure you're into your edit section. The next step you're going to do is you're going to simply drag the timer to the specific area of your video that you want to be working on with, like the area that you want to slow down. The next what you're going to do is you're going to grab the B mode blade, and then you're going to cut video into two different sections, basically separating it from the section that you want to slow down and the section that you don't want to slow down. So I have my separated section done. Next step I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this specific section and I'm going to head over all the way to change clip speed right here. Now here is where you can simply change the speed. You can drag and drop and slide it up and down, and the frames per second are going to be changing automatically along with the speed. I'm putting it up to somewhere 50%. The next is for the keyframes. You can either maintain it along with the timing or stretch them out to fit. I'm keeping them by maintaining the timing, and I'm simply going to click on change. Now to test this out, we're going to play it to see if it is as slow as we desired or not. You can see it's just a 2-second clip that is as slow as I wanted it to be as opposed to the rest of the video. So guys, this is it. This is how you can slow down clips on DaVinci Resolve.